Good morning, teacher. My name is Monica Quiñones. I am a student in Biomedical and Technology. Then I start the presentation. MOU-ICA, Q, IU1, U, and IC. I proceed to describe my house. The view count my house. This is the entrance my house. And he has two windows, two doors. This might sound wrong. These are the furniture. And this is my kitchen. This is my room. This is my bar. This is the table. This is my computer. This is the bowl. This are two colored pencil. My my bedroom. This is my washing machine. Very much.